I saw it today at the reception, and the glass was a bleeding man. She was practicing the arts of deception. I could tell you, my applause, baby, hey, come on. You can't always get what you want. Come on, you can't always get what you want. Come on, you can't always get what you want. Never try sometime, it's just like that. You get what you need, you get what you need. You get what you need. Hey, you get what you need. God, you get what you need, Lord. You get what you need, Lord. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Get what you want. Now get what you want. Get what you want. We're going to do a little song. This is a song I have about a project that I am. This is a song about a project that I'm building in San Francisco. It's called Music City. And I have been working on this project for nearly 20 years. So next year is a 4. I don't know, it's almost embarrassing to say.